Hey everyone, so I'm back. Today I will be replacing my old headlights on a 2000 Jeep TJ with these 4 X-beam halos. Basically all it is 2 adapters, goes into your stock wiring harness. And then if you want, you can also take this little adapter off so they bolt up to a JK or JKU, like that one right there. So with that being said, all you have to do is take a T15 Torx bit. There's 4 little bolts and there, and then you get to pop out this bezel right here. Before that, you do have to take out this trim bezel, which is also 3 T15 Torx bits. So I will get to back installing this one and I'll show you how to wire it all up. So basically from here, you just take this little 3-prong adapter for your wire harness, plug it into your factory harness. Once that's all plugged in, you just kind of tuck everything back, pull it on through. And you want your little DOT approved sign here facing up. So then once you have that settled, you get your first bezel, slide it in, and then adjust your light accordingly. And now you just bolt it up. So to make this process a whole whack ton easier, I just grabbed a drill, an extension, and a T15 Torx bit, zipped it back in, and then from here, just gotta place the bezel in properly, just like that. Line up your holes, screw them in, and get to the other side. Here's a quick little side-by-side comparison of the old glass lights versus the halos. I just gotta hook up that halo ring, which I'm not gonna do right now, seeing I still have my marker lights. But here would be the low beam, and then here's the high beam. So just for a quick representation, and I'll get back to you once I finish off this one. So with this, I'll show you guys again. You just grab the male end and the female end, feed it through the headlight housing, plug it in, and you just pull up all your wires here and tuck it away somewhere nice, zip tie them up to somewhere, maybe the truss right here, and yeah. So really quick, I'll just show you a recap of the halo headlights here. So that's with the low beam. And the high beam. Not much of a difference. And then just cause there's a light bar.